In this video, you will learn how understanding your utilities can give you the tools you need to become more efficient and save money and energy during production. Utilities, more than just bills. Every day, industrial facilities use electricity, natural gas, water, and other utilities to make products.
As these utilities are essential to nearly every manufacturing operation, they are often treated as unavoidable overhead costs, something that simply shows up on a monthly bill and has to be paid.
But utilities are not just expenses. They are measurable inputs to production. When we understand how much energy and water we use, when we use them, and how those costs connect to production, utilities become valuable information that can help us operate better, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. Changing how we think about utilities. A common way to look at utilities is as a total monthly cost. For example, this facility spent $100,000 on electricity last month. That number is important, but it does not tell the whole story. A more useful question is, how much electricity did we use to make our products? This is called a utility cost per unit of production. Instead of only looking at total cost, we can look at metrics like dollars per product produced, kilowatt hours per pound, gallon or part, cubic feet of natural gas per unit of production, or gallons of water per unit of finished product. These measurements connect utility use directly to operations. They help answer questions like, are we becoming more efficient? Did a process change increase energy use? Or are we using more energy than necessary to make the same product? Answering each of these questions will help us develop a much fuller understanding of the production and utility use for a facility than if we only look at the total monthly cost on the bill. Utility bills tell a story. A utility bill is not just an invoice. It contains operational information. Besides connecting utility usage to production, a utility bill can reveal information about unexpected increases in energy use, production patterns, operating schedules, seasonal changes, and equipment startup and shutdown impacts. For example, if electricity use remains high during weekends when production is low, that may indicate opportunities to reduce unnecessary loads. Here's another example. If natural gas use increases significantly without a similar increase in production, that may indicate a process issue, equipment problem, or operating change that needs investigation. Identifying good practices and opportunities. Once we understand where and how utilities are being used, we can identify opportunities to improve. Utility data can help identify both good and bad operating practices. A simple analysis may reveal opportunities such as equipment running when it is not needed, equipment operating outside its best performance range, poor temperature control, especially if there is excessive heating or cooling, and compressed air leaks or water losses. It is important to note that many improvements do not require replacing major equipment. Often, the first opportunities come from better operation, maintenance, and control. Connecting efficiency to business results. The most important connection is this. Utilities are not fixed costs that cannot be changed. They are measurable resources that can be managed. When a facility reduces the amount of electricity, natural gas, or water needed to make each product, the utility cost per unit of production decreases. That means the facility can become more competitive, reduce operating costs, and better understand where improvement opportunities exist. For more information, check out the Understanding Your Utility Bills series created by the Better Plants program, linked in the description.